Hi, welcome to my yoga channel, Anamrifi Yoga, and today we will do a nice yoga stretches just before going to bed. It could be done just in bed. Hope you like it. So let's start. So let's start in tabletop. Shoulders and wrists aligned, knees and hips aligned. Let's do some cat and cow. Inhale, arch your back, gaze up. Exhale, round your back, chin to your chest. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale. Let's come to tabletop. So bring the right foot forward. Just make sure the heel is in, that your toes are out, and bring the back knee back. Make sure just feeling a nice challenge here, but not too much. Just a little challenge that you feel that you are stretching the front leg. And you bring your hands to inside of your front foot. Press to your hands, inhale, and you check if this is enough for you. Stay here, or maybe you can come to your forearms, or maybe you grab a pillow and you bring a pillow, you bring your hands to a pillow. So check where you are. Let's start. I will come to my forearms. Stay here, feeling the stretch, and we breathe together. Let's inhale, exhale. Long exhales. Again, inhale, exhale. And stay here for a moment, just feeling you breathing. And the next inhale, slowly come up into your hands. Send the hips back to align with the back knee and extend the front leg. So you press to your heel, your toes are active to the sky or to the ceiling, and your hands inside of your front foot. Inhale, and as you exhale, just hinge from your hips. Stay where it feels good for you, and just breathe there. The option to bring your chin to your chest and relax there. Remember, this leg is completely active, and the muscles around your knee are active. Let's breathe together. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Stay here breathing for a moment. In the next inhale, up into your hands, bend the front knee, and bring left hand pressing into the mat. Bend the back knee, and you grab. You can stay here if that's enough for you, or if you can grab your foot, you grab your foot. If you grab your foot, press the foot into your hand into your foot, and just twist to the right. Breathe here. We breathe together. Inhale. Exhale. You can close your eyes or open your gaze. Inhale. Exhale. Stay here and breathe. The next inhale, open your eyes, release your foot, and bring your hands to the bed. So the idea is to bring the front foot to the side, to the other side, and bring the knee down. Extend the back leg long. You just close your knee. It doesn't need to be any 90 degrees or anything. You just close your knee, extend the back leg. Inhale, arms, hands frame your thigh, chest is up, and as you exhale, just fall forward over your front thigh, and you just breathe there. Let's breathe together. Inhale, exhale. Again, inhale, exhale. Stay here and breathe. And the next inhale, up into your hands, and then bring the front knee back to tabletop. So we will do the other side. So left foot is forward, heel in, toes out. Make sure the back knee back, up into your hands, come to a pillow or come to your forearms. Just breathe here. Inhale, exhale. Again, inhale, exhale. Stay here and breathe. And the next inhale, up into your hands. So send the hips back to align with the back knee. Extend the front leg. You press to your heel. Your toes are pointing up. You engage the muscles around your knee. Inhale. And as you exhale, just fall forward inside of your leg. Chin to your chest. Breathe here. Let's breathe together. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Stay here and breathe. And the next inhale, up into your hands. Bend the front knee. Send the back knee back. Left hand in your base. You twist to the left. You bend the back knee. Your toes are pointing. And you can stay here, or you can grab your foot. You grab your foot. You press your foot into your hand into your foot. And you breathe here. Let's breathe together. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Stay here and breathe. Inhale. And as you exhale, release your foot and then bring the front foot to the other side. So you just to the right side, and you bring the knee down. You can close your knee, doesn't matter, it could be here or here, wherever you feel comfortable. Extend the back leg long back. Inhale to proud pigeon. Exhale, fall forward into sleeping pigeon. Stay here, breathe. 2 rounds of breath together. Inhale. Exhale. Long exhales. Again, inhale. Exhale. Stay here and breathe. The next inhale, up into your hand, and let's come to tabletop again. Extend the legs back and just come all the way down into your belly. Press to your hands, hands align with your chest. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, forehead to the mat. This time bring your hands a little forward. Press to your hand as much as you can. And then bend the knees. Stay here. You can have your arms bent, the elbows bent, or you extend the arms. Breathe here for a moment. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Stay here for a moment. Inhale. And as you exhale, gently come down, bring your forehead to the mat. You must feel your lower back here. Press to your hands. And let's bring happy baby, child pose. Toes together, open your knees wide, hips to your heels, extend your arms forward, bring your forehead to the mat. Press your hands into the mat. Inhale. Bring yourself up, and let's come again to your belly. Create a pillow with your forearms. Bring your forehead to your forearms and bend the knees. Windshield wiper your legs and just move to one side and then the other side. And extend the legs. Bring your hands to the mat. Press yourself to the seated pose. Solo your feet together. Open your knees wide. Inhale. Butterfly. Chest is up. Spine is long. Inhale. And exhale that your arm just fall forward. Grab your feet and just fall forward. Relax your spine down. The next inhale, slowly bring yourself up and just find a way to lay down into your back. Set the left leg long, bring the right knee up, you grab your leg or your feet, wherever you can grab it, make sure your leg is extended and bring the leg to you. So you, any place that you can grab and breathe here. Inhale, and as you exhale with the left hand, grab the outside of the right foot, send the leg to the left. Stop if you feel too much. Stop in the place when you start to feel and breathe here. Come back to center and let's exchange. Inhale, bring the left leg high. Grab any place of your leg. Make sure the knee muscles around your knee are engaged. Breathe here. Inhale, and as you exhale with the right hand, you grab the outside of your foot, you bring your foot to the side. Stop when it's too much for you, the feeling in your hips, and breathe here. You can grab the leg from any place. Inhale, and as you exhale, release, bring both knees into your chest, open your knees, happy baby, grab your feet from inside, from outside, breathe here. Keep pressing your hands to your feet and your feet into your hands. Release, bring your knees into your chest. Inhale. And as you exhale, just come to your Savasana, extending the legs, extending the arms to the side. Just stay there and breathe.